I'm Myles Gregor, and I'm here with Lauren, Ellie, and Carwynn to talk to you about glasses, a next generation technology that will help students that are deaf and hard of hearing. Closed captions have been added for your viewing experience.
Deaf and hard of hearing individuals face many communication barriers throughout their lives, which is especially concerning in the adolescent portion of life. We want to help the 62,000 students in pre-K through grade 12 who face a communication barrier that often requires outside help within the classroom. This barrier can lead to isolation, underdeveloped communication skills, anxiety, and unpreparedness for adulthood. How might our idea help our population? When finalized, we hope to provide an alternative to existing practices that help deaf students in the classroom, and our goal is to make keeping up with their peers easier and normalizing deaf students in the classroom, which could reduce anxiety, foster positive social development, and improve communication overall.
A big problem today is that deaf students lack independence inside their classrooms due to their reliance on an interpreter. Modern-day classrooms are not generally designed to accommodate people with disabilities, and being deaf can have many challenges, especially within a school environment. Deaf and hard of hearing students would need an interpreter to be able to understand what the teacher was saying. Some students may be able to read lips, but only when the teacher is facing them. If they are writing on the whiteboard while speaking, for example, the deaf student would not be able to understand what was going on because they would not be able to see the teacher's face. One accommodation has been to pull deaf students from their classrooms and place them in completely different settings from their peers. And this is isolating to the student and does not allow them to engage with their classmates, which can be emotionally and mentally stunting for growing children.
But now there's a solution. We're introducing glasses today that will allow students to read live closed captions of their teacher's voice inside of their glasses. And we're introducing it in an affordable design that will be sure to impress their friends. Let's go to Ellie for a closer look.
It is important to understand existing technology and research that has contributed to the formation of our product. Google Glass acts as a hands-free smartphone that can display images and information on the screen of the glasses. While Google Glass pioneered a new space for hands-free technology, the product was not applicable to consumers. Google Glass became a stepping stone for engineers to create products tailored to specific consumers. For instance, Georgia Institute of Technology created an app that pairs with Google Glass. The speaker talks into the app, and the app sends the translated speech to the display. The application runs a speech-to-text system and accounts for inaccuracies by providing different options for the text. Our product would utilize a digital screen and the speech-to-text system so that when the teacher speaks, the student is able to see what they are saying through the text on the screen. The concept of a directional microphone would help solve the problem of interference from opposing noises. There is a patented miniature electronic shotgun microphone, and Knowles produces a unidirectional analog microphone boom that is about 2 millimeters. The miniature microphone would be applicable for a minimalistic design for our product.
There's a good chance right now that Siri, maybe an Amazon Alexa, or even a Google Home is listening to your voice right now. All of these systems use what is called automatic speech recognition to distinguish between your voice and someone else's, something that's quintessential to making sure glasses is a success. For instance, on your screen, you can see that we have Radar Pace, which is a voice-activated coaching system that is implemented within a glasses environment. Furthermore, studies from Nagoya University show that it's possible to create glasses containing an automatic speech recognition system that projects words onto the physical lenses of the glass, similar to how the Radar Pace does it.
Electrical engineer and product designer Sam March 3D printed and programmed smart glasses that give turn-by-turn directions. The image above is a computer design showing the embedded printed circuit board. The two images on the right show his printed design with the circuit board battery and a panel that covers the technology. Even though his applications are different to ours, his design demonstrates that small pieces of technology can be embedded into glasses. We will model his design in order to embed the microphone and our other technologies into this product to enhance our minimalistic design.
The goal for our product is to achieve a reliable and personalized translator for deaf students while being as subtle as possible. A minimalistic design appeals to students who do not wish to emphasize their disability to the public. The glasses would allow students to be themselves without compromising their ability to communicate with others. This visual design portrays what a student might see when the teacher is speaking.
We have three main next steps that we want to implement within our glasses system. Step 1, accuracy and efficiency. We want this system to be able to work in large crowds, such as assemblies or even sports games. Step 2, we want this to be affordable and accessible. We recognize that glasses may be out of reach for some Americans. We want to leverage economies of scale to increase our mass production to actually lower the price for each American. Let's go to Lauren to talk about our expansion plans.
This technology could expand to the 600,000 deaf and hard of hearing individuals in the United States, and even to all deaf individuals worldwide. Outside of this proposed use for our product inside classrooms, the glasses could also contribute to improved communications between deaf and abled individuals. In the future, this product could be further developed to bridge the barrier between those who communicate in different languages.
Thank you for listening. We know that students are going to love glasses.